Magandang araw. Ako po si Benji Chitoro. Ngayon ay September 30, 2020, the last day of the month. Welcome sa Wednesday edition ng The Stock Market Today. Meron po tayong latest news tungkol sa ating paboritong stocks, ang MWIDE at PLDT. At mamaya-maya po ay titignan po natin yan. At ang nangyari sa trading ngayon sa Philippine Stock Exchange. Dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. Bago po tayo magpatuloy, basahin po muna natin ang ating mga reminders. At habang binabasa po natin ito ay ini-invite ko po kayo na mag-subscribe sa ating channel para ma-maintain po natin ang stock market report na ginagawa natin araw-araw. Salamat po. Okay, ang unang balita po natin ay dito muna tayo kay MWIDE. Meron po siyang fundraising. Ito po ay yung MWIDE targets 5 billion from new shares. So, galing po ito sa business world. MWIDE Construction Corp is raising funds through the issuance of a 5 billion new preferred shares to support its pipeline expansion plans. In a statement Tuesday, the engineering firm said it filed an application with the PSEI to issue 3 billion new preferred shares, which will have an oversubscription option of up to 2 billion. And in addition to that, ang mga ongoing projects nila ngayon, ang pagkagamitan nila ng pera ay it will be funneled to MWIDE's expansion plans, particularly the 1.7 hectare phase 2 of its transport terminal sa Parañaque, and the design stages of its multi-use development of the Mactan International Airport. And in addition to that, it has also proposals to expand to rehabilitate the Ninoy Aquino International Airport and to redevelop the carbon public market in Cebu City. So ito yung kanilang fundraising to sell additional preferred shares. The next news is on PLDT. So this is from the Philippine Star. PLDT network expansion goes full throttle. PLDT has expanded the reach and capacity of its fixed and wireless networks across the country amid the challenges brought about by the pandemic. PLDT said its fiber infrastructure, the most extensive in the country, now spans 282,500 kilometers as of August, up 19% from end 2019. And if we go down further, they gave an update on the emergency maintenance. Here, in this paragraph, meanwhile, PLDT announced yesterday the completion of maintenance activities, so natapos na, on the Asia-America Gateway submarine cable ahead of its schedule. So in other words, we should expect more stable internet connection now in the coming days. So that's the news for today. The PSE ended in the green today, up 22.63 points from the previous day. And it is now at 5864.23 points. The volume was 1.07 billion, valued at 5.48 billion. And as in the previous days, there was net foreign selling, 585.58 million. But the candlestick ended up with a doji. So let's take a look at the stocks, the most active stocks which figured out in the exchange today. So let's review SMPH, DITO, TEL, SM, BDO. Let's also take a look at GFC, CHP, ALLHC, Bloom, and HLCM. Okay, let's take a look now at SMPH. SMPH had a bounce. I don't know if this is a breakout, but it looks like a bounce. It's a green candlestick with a almost long wick. So it opened at 28.55 and it's now at 29.40 or 0.90 points higher than the previous close. It maintained, kasi ito yung level niya. So, nag-bounce siya, and it is above the ME20. Ito yung level of support niya. This is the next level of support, it's here. So, it made a bounce, and it is moving within the... It hit the resistance area, and then it encountered strong selling demand here. Ito yung nearest resistance niya. The 30 level, almost 30 level. And it, the sellers push the prices down. And I expect SF to move within that range. Or there might be a strong demand tomorrow, because if the volume is sustained, then it may move higher. Because it's above the MA20 already. So another stock. Next is Dito. Dito had a profit-taking day today. So from an opening of 499, it moved down as low as 480, and it settled at 490. I expect the stock to, if volume is sustained, I expect the stock to move higher in the coming days. So let's take a look. I-plot nga natin yung, tingnan nga natin kung nasaan yung resistance niya. I plotted this yesterday. So let's take a look on where the resistance is. I'm using the 1 week. Nearest resistance niya is here. Well, next resistance level is here. 5.48 or 5.5 level. So, balik natin to. So, let's take a look at another stock. Let's take a look at TEL. So, maayos na dapat yung internet natin. Okay. Oh, TEL ended in the red. Pero magandang kumpanya ang TEL eh. Blue chip stock to eh. So, 1339 or 14 points lower. Actually, well, I should say that support is here. Nasa 1303 ang support eh. Pero kung merong high demand on the stock, then baka mag-swing back yan. Because I see the successive red candlestick as a bearish sign. 3 out of 6. I'm sorry. 1 out of 6 lang yung green eh. So 5 out of 6 are red candlesticks. So I expect it to move lower unless there's a catalyst. Actually, yung catalyst niya is yung expansion niya eh. Pero hindi nagkikick in or hindi nagmamanifest dito sa presyo. So based on the technicals, I expect the stock to move lower. So tignan natin pa itong isa. After TEL, SM. SM flat to eh. It's a flat result. Yan. So, flat result, which ended in the support level. Ito yung support niya. 875. Yan yung area of support niya. So, when it reached this area, there's a long wick here. Nag-bounce siya, pabalik. Doon sa closing price niya at 880. The nearest resistance is here. Actually, SF naman is a good stock. Yung pinakamalapit nandito eh. 934. 935. 934, 935. Yan. Tingnan natin pa yung isa. SM and then BDO. BDO is still moving sideways and nasa support lang siya. So, yan yung support niya. Nearest resistance is here. So, walang masyado activity sa BDO. Although the value of the trades was 257 million. Ito yung resistance niya. Nearest resistance is here. 90. Ang next resistance after that is here. Nasa 93. So walang gaanong activity si BDO. Net foreign selling pa rin siya. 103 million or almost 104 million. Okay, so BDO then GFC. GFC positive to. Maliit lang yung up pero positive. Ayan. So, tumaas siya with volume. So, I expect the stock to move higher. So, tsaka nag-cross na yung EMA 20 to the EMA 50. Sa aking setup, ano ito? Buy signal to. So, yesterday, kung nakabili kayo dito, kung ako mag-trade dito, bumili na ako yesterday dito sa sign na nag-cross yung 20-day exponential moving average to the 50-day exponential moving average. Now, I expect the stock to move higher because of the consistent volume of trades. Although this is a doji, baka lang magkaroon ng profit-taking kinabukasan, pero more likely na tumaas pa ito because of the volume. So right now, the next resistance of Jollibee is here. 150. 150 next resistance, and after that, dito na siya eh. Mataas na. 171 na. 171 level. Pero yan pala yung resistance niya, yung pinakamalapit. 147 to 150. Okay, so after Jollibee, CHP. CHP is a breakout. Okay, it had a breakout today. So 11.49% yung kanyang increase from the previous day. Opened at 148 and ended up at 165. Okay, may catalyst ba itong si CHP? Okay, wala. Slump pa rin siya. But based on the technicals, tingnan natin yung year's resistance niya. Kung tayo sa 1 week. Tingnan natin yung 1 week. 1 week, not so. Ito. 2. Pinakamalapit is 2. Ito. Monday. Yan. Yung pinakamalapit na resistance niya. 211. So, let's take a look at another one. Normally kasi, pagka nagbe-breakout ang isang stock, pwede ka pang bumili on the second day as long as there is volume. So, if you see the movement of yung may mga breakout, normally nagkakaroon pa ng surge in the price on the second day. As long as merong volume. And the volume here is very significant, no? Tingnan nga natin kung meron siyang trend. I think meron to eh. Guess ko lang. 39, yeah. Meron siyang strong upward trend. Baka lang magkaroon pa ng, pwede pa tayo mag-ride on the second day. Pero ingat lang tayo dahil let's have our risk management ready, no? Kailangan may stop loss tayo kasi second day na ito. It's either mangyari dyan is that magkaroon ng breakout dito, which is here, pero magko-consolidate muna. Pwede mag-consolidate muna before the stock moves higher. Okay? Here. Yan siya. Ito. Yan. So the nearest resistance, sabi na natin, ang layo na eh. Tingnan natin yung weekly. Weekly ito. Nearest resistance is actually dito na. 2.08 ang nearest resistance niya. 2.08. Sige, tingnan pa natin ang isang. Let's take a look at the 1 day. Palitan natin. ALLHC. This is a Ayala company. Breakout din to. Ito may si ALLHC. Ang lakas oh. Nagsa-surge talaga siya. Okay, dati ang pangalan nito is OP eh. Yung symbol niya is OP. Pero lakas niya, 7.82%. And there's volume, breakout talaga siya. So, nag-consolidate siya muna dito. The next resistance is here, 2.83. Lagyan natin ng linya. 2.83. 2.81. Somewhere there. Ang next resistance niya. So, pwede pa tayong makiride dito dahil first day pa lang and very strong yung trend eh. Tingnan natin yung DMI. DMI, no? 55. Talaga napakalakas niya. So guys, pwede pa tayo dito. But, ano to, no? Make sure that you have a stop loss ready. When you do your trading plan, kailangan may stop loss mo tayo dito. Okay, next. Bloom. another strong stock. Index stock to Blueberry. Ito, tumaas siya. Pero, ang nakikita kong issue dito kay Bloom is wala siyang volume eh. Mababa lang yung volume niya. Although tumaas siya ng 4.43%, meron net foreign selling. But the volume is just the ordinary volume. Tingnan natin kung ba-accumulation. I think there is a few nag-accumulate siya. Kasi above, hindi siya negative eh. So there is accumulation. And if this stock breaks out, there should be volume. So kinabukasan, ang in-expect ko dyan is baka mag-profit taking lang to in the following day. And then the last one is HLCM. This is our last stock. Green candlestick din siya, si HLCM. Natin yung okay, nag-cross ng MWIDE. Sa akin, moving sideways pa rin siya, si HLCM. It's just moving within this range. Yan, you see it moving within this range. Ito kasi yung lowest niya. Ito yung kanyang support. This is the resistance. But if you'll see kasi, if I will draw a trend line, ang trend line niya is pag ganito eh. Meron siyang trend line na pag ganyan. Diba? Something like that. Yan siya. So meron siyang trend pataas and nag-ano siya, it's above the MWIDE. Actually, pwedeng mong sabihin na sideways pa rin siya. So I expect the stock to move sideways in the following days without the catalyst. Net foreign buying siya, si HLCM. So that's it for the stock report today. Maraming po salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. I hope to see you again tomorrow. Tomorrow is another month, and it's just less than 3 months before Christmas. So this is Benji Chidoro inviting you to subscribe to my channel at nag-iiwan ng isang paalaala on investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next episode and bye for now.